Hi guys, today we'll tell you how to create a blog and how to get a free domain from hosting website. And now go to Chrome, open your Chrome in your desktop, and in search engine search for blogger website, type blogger, and now go to blogger Google account, go to your Gmail and click on create blog, give your title to your blog, and I will give Raj Techie, click on next, and Raj Techie. Now I give some address to here like Techie leaves. This blog address is available now and go to save. .com is the domain name and view your blog post how it looks like. Here this is the blog. There is nothing here because we didn't post this blog. And now go to create a new post and on board. I want to check first our options and central alignment and hello guys, I'm new to blogging. Now give your pic here and upload your image from your computer or photos or bloggers by using any URL. I uploaded my photo from computer and click on browse, click on image and open it and it is added. Now here here you can see the images appears looks like this and set a location to this post. I mean get new software solution and go to see the preview post and it's look like this is a preview. Wait, post is look like this. If you check in desktop mode, click on desktop, and if you want to check a tablet and if you want to check in your Android phone, it's look like this. And get back to blog and publish it and click on confirm and refresh your blog and see this is the post and create one more post and create one more post. New post. I want to decorate this sentence on type times and color green and font size large. Okay, and insert in a video from YouTube. I want to take one video from my YouTube channel and go to YouTube and search for Rajasekhar Gavidi videos. Here these are my videos and go to one video, copy that link and move it and paste here and search for that link and click on this tab, click and insert Now type some matter for this post. Be unique and change your lifestyle towards goal. Okay, and I want to create a label for tech and publish. Click on confirm, and I want to give a title to this post because it's a blog shows you it is untitled post, and edit it and new post, update, and get back to first post and edit, and first post and update it. Now see the blog and refresh it. Here it appears like this, and now we have to go some other section, stats. It shows your followers and posts and comments, and go to comments. It will show all your user comments to you, and earnings. It will tells you how much earn from this blog, and if you want to buy a domain from Google Domains and go to search, and Google recommended to you some domains in monthly pack or yearly pack. Now see what are the .com, the .co, the .digital are domains, and rajtechie.com 860 per year. I don't want this. Uh, See these are the domains and these are the prices for this domain, and no thanks. And pages means tabs what will appear on top of the blog, and I want to create a page and contact and give some stuff here. Okay, publish it. Go to one more page, about, give some stuff. Okay, publish it, click on confirm, and go to layouts. You have to decide your layout first. Now in layout you have to check what the layout it is, and go to theme selection. Now you have to select good theme from blogger website, and yes, I want to select this theme, and you have to customize. Now see the blog, and if you have any adjustment or if you have any changes, if you want to change any background or any background color or post font sizes or post colors, or you want to go to background color and adjust width also there, you want to increase it also, and okay, sidebar. Okay, then layout space like this. Okay, and unbounded want to set it as times now, page text and background. Okay, then links. Okay, all are good. And date header, okay, apply to blog. Now see what happened to your blog. Here you can see your blog changed like this. And go to create a page. Okay, back to blogger. Now you have to create a pages. Just okay, I created already. And go to layout designs. Okay, navbar is there. If you want to edit it, here you have to select the types. Want to? I'll go to blue. Save and header. Edit. And want to give some description to this. Get Trixon tips from us. Okay, save. And edit pages, title, about, contact. Okay, done. And save it. Now go to blog and refresh your blog. Here you can see the title and the tab, navigation bar, and the description here. And if you want to search for your post in this blog, and search bar also there, and page is also there, and it is the about page. And go to contact, click on contact, it is a contact page. Okay, if user want to send any comment or send any information to you, they can write in this description box and click on public. And go to blog and go to settings. And here want to change. Okay, Raj Techie. Okay, done. Description also the adult content not gives to you. And now see the Google Analytic property ID. It will tells you how much your traffic is done. It will tells you how much users visit your page and which gender users visit your page. All details it will gives to you. And blog address techie.blogspot.com. uh, Now your blog is live on Google search engine. And these are the settings to do to your blog. Okay, all are done. Check your time zone. Okay, meta tag, I want to give a meta tag. Meta tag means what you give a description to your blog. And it's like I will see you, it looks like type as Facebook, only Facebook. See, this is the meta tag, and this is the title of your website or blog. This is the URL of your blog, and this is the URL. And only this is the now facebook.com is only the domain name. Okay, and here I want to give some description here. Get latest tech news from us, and get full free online courses like digital marketing, our web development platform. Okay, save it. Okay, this is the process to do a blog. It is a free of cost, nothing to invest to host websites. You get a free domain for your blogging and your blog, and just look like this. The Gmail is appears on blog at the top of the blog, and people follows you through email. And if you want to go mail, some users or visitors want to give a comment or want to follow a mail and want to give some information to you, and the social network platforms also there, and email and blog, Twitter, Facebook, and Pinterest. You have to give a links, or if you want to give a social networks, or if you want to connect social network to this blog and go through that links. And this is the process to do, and this is the process to create a blog freely. Yes, thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this video, give a like and leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and share my channel. Keep in touch with my channel. Thank you.